New Orleans, Louisiana has already received more than twice the amount of snow that Anchorage, Alaska, has seen since the start of meteorological winter. A blizzard warning is now in effect for parts of southern Louisiana due to a historic and deadly winter storm that spanned over 1,500 miles. Longtime residents of New Orleans, who have witnessed the city's rare snowfalls, say they've only seen a handful of snowstorms and never one quite like this. As of Wednesday morning, New Orleans had accumulated 10 inches of snow, a stark contrast to the half-inch that fell during the city's last snowfall in December 2004.